Syllabication, word attack, divide and code, decoding. Are you confused with what these words mean? Or how to help your child complete homework using these ideas? If you are, this video presentation may help you understand syllabication better. My name is Denise Jett. This video was created in the hopes of giving some guidance to our parents and students when it relates to syllabication. Syllabication is the process to separate or divide a word. Coding is what we do here at the DePaul School to help students understand and remember the syllable types. Separating or syllabicating a word can be very easy if you follow certain guidelines. We're going to look at these guidelines in a bit after we make sure we have the background knowledge to syllabicate. In order to read words, we need to know about letters and syllables. There are two kinds of letters in the English language: vowels and consonants. When these letter types are studied in class, sometimes they are called crimson consonants and violet vowels. How these letters work together help us to know how to assign sounds for letters. We code the vowels with a circle because our mouths open when saying those sounds, and the sound is not blocked by our lips, tongue, or throat. We use a block to show a consonant sound. They are blocked air sounds. Syllables are beats in a word. For instance, circumstance has 3 syllables: sir, come, stance. Usually you can feel the number of syllables just under your throat as you talk normally. There are 7 kinds of syllables in the English language: open, closed, silent E, R-controlled, strange, consonant LE, and vowel combination. At the DePaul School, we use and teach these codes for each of the syllable types to make classwork faster and easier. An open syllable ends with a vowel. The vowel is usually long. Some examples are sigh, re, o, k, by, show. A closed syllable ends with a consonant or group of consonants. The vowel sound is usually short. Some examples are gen, cow, shod, ash, ill, amp. A silent E syllable follows the vowel consonant E pattern. The E is silent and the vowel is long. Some examples are ite, ope, ale, eam, ave, ike. An R-controlled syllable has a vowel followed by an R. The vowel sound is modified or changed. Some examples are r, ert, or, firm. Also known as the sight syllable, the strange syllable does not sound the way it looks. Usually, its sounds have changed over many years. These syllables must be learned by sight. Some examples are ing, shun, chur, t. This syllable is only found at the end of words, the consonant LE syllable. The E is silent. Some examples: bull, coal, pull, zol, coal. A vowel combination syllable has 2 or more vowels in one syllable. The vowels work together to make a single sound. Some examples are ale, eat, leak, oat, and foil. The first thing students should do to read unfamiliar words is look in the word for things they know for sure. Compound words always split at each small word. Twin letters always get split up. Suffixes and prefixes are always split from the rest of the word, and so on. Next, students should code the vowels or vowel combinations. After that, students look at how many consonants are in between those vowels. Then they follow the guides to know how to syllabicate most of the time. Of course, there are always exceptions, so in the end, students have to check for word sense. Now let's look at some examples of how to syllabicate, or as we call it, divide and code. Remember, seeing the letters in colors of crimson and violet can help. Look at the word N-O-N-S-E-N-S-E. Are there any for sure's? Yes, non is a prefix, so it's a syllable of its own. Since is one syllable, so we're finished syllabicating the word, non-since. To finalize, we would add the correct syllable codes. Now look at the word B-O-O-K-M-A-R-K. Are there any for sure's? Yes, this word is made of two smaller words. It's a compound word, so we divided the two words. The first syllable, book, is a double vowel, and the syllable mark is an R-controlled syllable. Look at the word D-E-N-T-I-S-T. Are there any for sure's? No, so we have to follow the guidelines through. We code the vowels first. Remember the different colors to help see the vowels faster. E and I are vowels, so we code them with a dot. Now look in between the vowels. There are two consonants, so we split those up evenly. The word is dentist. To finish coding, we would add blocks above the consonants following the vowels. Look at the word A-B-L-E. Are there any for sure's? Yes, we see a consonant L-E. So we count 1, 2, 3, chop, chop, chop. It's a for sure syllable, and now we need to continue to do the work to decode the remaining word. So we code the vowels, and to finish coding, we would code the consonant following the A and the LE for the syllable. Look at the word T-U-L-I-P. Are there any for sure's? No, so we need to continue to do the work to decode the word. So we code the vowels. There's one consonant between the vowels, so normally we split after the first vowel. This pattern's often different, so it's important that we check our work afterwards. So our word here is tulip. Then we code the rest of the word by coding what's after the vowels. Look at the word C-A-B-I-N. Are there any for sure's? No, so we need to continue to do the work to decode the word. We code the vowels. There's one consonant between the vowels, so normally split after the first vowel. This pattern is often different, so it's important that we check our work afterwards. So our word here is cabin. Well, that doesn't make sense, so let's try the other way. Yes, cabin. Then we code the rest of the word by coding what's after the vowels. Now let's try a longer word. Are there any for sure's? No, so we have to do all the work to figure out the word. So we code the vowels, A, I, O. We code them with a dot. The Y at the end of the syllable or words is also a vowel. This is another for sure, so the Y should now be a violet vowel. Now we look in between each of the vowels. There are two consonants between the A and I, so we split those up. There's one consonant between the I and the O, so we usually split after the first vowel, the I. The last vowel follows the same pattern. We finish by coding the consonant following the vowel and the last syllable. The syllable ni is strange because it's a sight syllable. The word is matrimony. We hope this helps you and your child to understand syllabication better.